जब देश का सवाल आता है तो देश पहला, उसके बाद राज्य, उसके बाद पार्टी, उसके बाद फैमिली, पहले देश आता है। और जब कनिमोळी जी यहाँ है, मैं यहाँ हूँ, जब हमें किरण रिजिजू का फोन आया था, किरण जी ने मुझे सिर्फ फोन पे कहा, सुप्रिया तुमको देश के लिए 10 दिन देने पड़ेंगे। देश के लिए मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? देश के लिए 10 दिन क्या बोल रहे हो किरण जी आप? ये माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का बड़ापन था कि हम सारे ऑपोजिशंस को उन्होंने लीड करने के जो विश्वास दिखाया है, यही एक सशक्त लोकतंत्र है। हम सब ने कहा देश पहला, देश के बाद राज्य, राज्य के बाद पार्टी, पार्टी के बाद फैमिली। तो हम सब यहाँ जो पहलगाम अटैक के बाद साथ रहे, वो देश के लिए रहे। ये सब जो हमने किया वो भारत माता के लिए किया, देश के लिए किया।
Now viewers, you heard that India First statement. It is as clear as daylight. And this is something that Shashi Tharoor of the Congress party has said. And you know what happened to Shashi Tharoor? He was penalized. Many in the Congress party went after him and called him the super spokesperson of the BJP and said that they have a problem with the line that Shashi Tharoor is taking. Now, what is this line that Shashi Tharoor is taking? Shashi Tharoor is saying, put India first. He said it, that I will put India first. If the nation needs me, I will always put my hand up and be there to extend any service or help that is needed. Supriya Sule says the same thing. The Congress party is still in denial. Tejshri is joining the broadcast. Tejshri, there is a massive divide in the Congress, in the opposition ranks, and the Congress, it seems, is isolated.
Well, absolutely, Pranesh. You see, when it comes to questioning the government and holding accountable, yes, it is the duty of the opposition member of parliaments to ask the questions. But when it comes about nation, when it comes about our armed forces, when it comes about the dignity of our armed forces, we all stand with our nation, because nation first. And that's what said be Shashi Tharoor or Supriya Sule, the NCP MP, has been talking about, that how in fact first the nation comes, then we talk about the states, and then we talk about the parties. But when Congress MPs talk about nation, talk about Operation Sindoor, laud the efforts of our army personnel, then they are tagged as they are someone who are the spokespersons of the BJP. And today, in fact, we asked the same kind of question to Supriya Sule. She is firm on her stand that no matter what, yes, we have sent a strong message by going via this by in fact establishing ourselves on an international platform, on a global stage, that how Operation Sindoor was effective. And not just her, but in fact Priyanka Chaturvedi has also reiterated
thanks
the
for
same.
That quick update. We'll keep coming back to you for more as we build up to the debate that begins at 12 in the Lok Sabha and around 2 in the Rajya Sabha. Akashdeep Muni, Dr. Akashdeep Muni also joining the panel. Dr. Muni, quick question before we head into a break. What do you make of what Supriya Sule has said? This is something that Shashi Tharoor has been saying, that India comes first.
See, nobody in the party has ever said that India does not come first. Everybody in the party says India comes first. There has been some controversial statements made by Shashi Tharoor, which is why the state unit of Congress party raised some concerns. And it is very legitimate. It happens in Bharatiya Janata Party.
Controversial statements. Could you point out one or two, or even one? What is this controversial statement by Shashi Tharoor that the Congress is punishing him for? Which one? Tell me one thing.
See, first of all, Pranesh, there is no punishment till now. The Congress always gives a long rope to its leaders. First. And second thing, regarding the comments. Shashi Tharoor...
the Congress is not doing any favor by giving him a long rope. 1 minute. Shashi Tharoor was there even when he was not in the Congress party. He was just as popular. I don't want to get into your internal dynamics. That is none of my business. All that people want to know is that what did Shashi Tharoor do? This controversial statement theory. What is it? Tell me one example of something that was controversial. Is India First controversial, Dr. Muni?
No, of course not. India First is not controversial. But when you raise questions on Indira Gandhi, that is controversial.
What is controversial?
Indira Gandhi has been the best prime minister that India has seen till date, who has divided Pakistan into two. You all know, we all know, everybody knows. But raising question on the leadership...
But what did... No, 1 minute. Was Shashi Tharoor not factual when he said that Indira imposed emergency? क्या वो झूठ बोल रहे थे? इमरजेंसी
नहीं, वो
किसने
झूठी
लगाई
बोल रहे
देश
थे।
में? बीजेपी ने लगाई, आरएसएस ने लगाई।
देखिए, कांग्रेस ने लगाई, बाय कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मेजर्स लगाई, ठीक है, दैट इज नॉट अ हिडन ट्रूथ, बट द पॉइंट इज
Okay.
दैट
Emergency was constitutional. Viewers, this is breaking news. This is breaking news. Pradeep Bhandari, be ready to answer this question. We are taking a short break. Viewers, stay with